pot here is my steamed protein comprised of meat, pomo, dried fish, and okporoko. Then after that, I went in with my washed and cleaned and sliced water leaf. I like to cook for some seconds. Then I went in with my blended pepper and crayfish. After that, I stir it to combine, then cover it and allow it to cook for some seconds. Then after that, I went in with my seasoning cubes, then some salt to taste, then went in with my palm oil. Then I will stir and allow it to combine. Then I will check that everything at this point is complete, is well blended, like the taste is okay. Then I went in with my washed, remember that my washed Editan leaf. Then I went in with my Editan leaf. Then stir it to combine. And I like to cook for some seconds. After that, my Editan soup is ready. It is not hard. It is very simple and yummy. There. Ta-da. So have a nice day. Bye.